Get inspired by the everyday heroes of Whittlesea. Meet Sibusiso Molefe, making a real difference in our community. The inspiration.
Ndizelelwe apha eSADA. Ndanolwazi oluphangaleleyo malunga neengxaki iSADA enazo.
The Community Resource Center.
Physically, i-Resource Center iye yarana from August 2023 up to February 2024. I-vision, it wasn't only to assist aba bantu sasibanceda ngela xesha, because i-support yasuka ixesha elininzi kwi-students ze-aplayela izikolo. More than 400 of those students were assisted. The thing we did was to provide the internet for free to the community.
The challenges.
When we as the community cry to the municipality saying sicela uncedo, because one of the major issues ebesizikhalele yile yokokubana both ngela xesha lango-2023 nangeli la last year ngosiklinayo eyethu inkunkuma ibihlala apha. We were not offered any solution for uba mayithuthwe ingaphindi ihlale kwalapha. So there's a lot of that in terms of challenges, but there's been a lot of good that's been happening. There's a lot of izinto ezenzekayo ekuhlaleni that go under the carpet zingekho exposed. As a result, abantu bakuthi baphela betyhafa.
The support structures.
I've had a lot of support with this project from the onset from Ward Councillor Ernest Mavango. We've had a lot of support, as I said, from the office of Mr. Mgese, which is unit manager walapha kweli lase-Whittlesea.
What is next for the project?
We are in conversation with uSisikhanyisa Bhunu ufuna ukuzisa i-movie yakhe kweli cala azo-auditiona abantu. We have opened up the spaces as a community resource center to host those auditions. I-dates ke asazikhankanyileyo seyi-16 ne-17 kaFebruary, but those are not official. Look out for information more official xa iseyigqityiwe. So there's a lot of support esizayidinga from the community at large, not only the private sector, not only the public sector, but the community at large, individuals as well.
Do not miss the inspiring story of Sibusiso Molefe, Whittlesea Community Hero, on the 2nd of March 2026 at 10 a.m. on Whittlesea TV, the pride of Whittlesea.